How to access cPanel web disk. Log into your cPanel account, you will be on this page. Go to the Files section and click on the web disk icon. Scroll down to the table Manage Additional Web Disk Accounts. It enlists the web disk accounts you have created. Click on the Configure Client Access. There are options for different operating systems. Select one which you use. Then click on Download Configuration Script. Now click on the Save File button. Browser takes some time to download the configuration script. To run the script, double-click on it, then click on the Open button. Click on the OK button. Now enter username and password. Click OK. We have successfully mounted the web disk. We can treat it as any disk on a computer. There are already a file and a folder on the web disk to show as an example. You can perform the various tasks on these file and folder. You can also add more files and it will be on the web. Thank you for watching.